In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for TikTok ads without using Apple Pay. Navigating payments on TikTok for advertising can be slightly complex, especially if you're looking to use alternative payment options. Let's break this process down into manageable steps so you can efficiently set up your payment method and get back to focusing on creating great content for your audience. First off, you need to access your TikTok Ads Manager. So head over to the official TikTok Ads website. This is where all the magic begins. It's the dashboard from which you can manage all your TikTok advertising activities, including setting up payment methods. Once there, the next step is crucial: logging in. Simply click on the login button prominently displayed on the page. This is your gateway to accessing your specific account details, including previous campaigns, analytics, and, of course, payment settings. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Type in the email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Remember, keeping your password secure and unique is essential for protecting your account. Upon entering your credentials, click the login button again to proceed. TikTok values security, and as an added measure, you might be asked to verify your identity. This usually involves typing in a code sent to your registered email address. It's a simple step, but it goes a long way in safeguarding your account. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's navigate to where you can manage your payment options. Look for the Tools tab. This section houses various features and settings related to your ads account, including where you'll be managing your payment methods. Within Tools, locate and click on the Payment option. This specific area is dedicated to all matters concerning billing and payments, perfect for what we're about to do. Next, you need to direct yourself to Payment Methods. This is essentially where TikTok lists all your linked payment options and where you can add new ones. It's designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can easily manage how you fund your advertising efforts. At this stage, you're ready to add a new payment method. Look for the Add a Payment Method button. Clicking this will present you with different payment options available in your country. It's important to note that available payment methods can vary significantly based on your location due to various financial regulations and partnerships TikTok has across the globe. Upon finding the payment option that works best for you, go ahead and add it as a new payment method. You might need to fill in specific details depending on the payment method you choose. For instance, credit card options will require card numbers, expiry dates, and security codes. Now, amidst these steps, here's something crucial to remember. Payment methods differ from one country to another. This variety means it's vital to choose a payment method that's not only convenient for you, but also supported in your region. It can range from direct debit, credit cards, online payment gateways, and more, ensuring you have the flexibility to choose what suits your needs best. Once you've successfully linked your new payment method, the final step is simple. Click on Submit to finalize the process. This action will save the newly added payment method to your TikTok ads account, giving you the freedom to start or continue your advertising campaigns without relying on Apple Pay. And that's it. You've now equipped yourself with the knowledge to navigate TikTok's payment system and have added a new payment method to your advertising account. By following these steps, you ensure that your TikTok advertising journey is seamless, letting you focus more on creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. Remember, every successful advertising campaign starts with a solid foundation, and understanding how to manage your payments efficiently is a crucial part of that foundation. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made your TikTok ad payment process clearer and more manageable. Here's to your success on one of the world's most dynamic social media platforms. Happy advertising!